Can you remember what Koenma did when you skate was in the top Tom? Yeah, he ate gyoza. Well, I wanna eat gyoza too, so let's get started. The common filling of gyoza is pork, but thanks to my subscriber, I'm using shrimps today. Chive, minced ginger, sake. You can leave it out, but it brings more sweetness. Sesame oil, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix them all together. Fill a gyoza wrap with filling and use water as a glue. Fold it bit by bit until the end. My gyoza is ready to grilled. Grilled over medium heat until the bottom is golden brown. Add water and cover it until all water has evaporated. For dipping, I use a 1:1 ratio of dry vinegar and soy sauce. Add a little touch of sesame oil. The filling is soft and juicy. I love the crispy bottom.